You have abducted someone. His family is crying. And you are here telling us stories. Enough is enough.
Ngatho ni undu wa gucoka ni kwarituha igoti-ini kundu Jaji Chacha MUITA uria guthikagiriria kesi ino ya blogger NDIANG'UI oya moko iguru mukenya uyu arugama igoti-ini ari no camba muingi muno na athomera thirikari kundu ciugo ciake ciahutia nginyagia Jaji Chacha MUITA uria wera thirikari wenda kwenda drama na ndarenda ng'ano no arenda mwanake uyu arehwo igoti-ini.
I want that person, whether he's dead or alive.
As indicated from our David, clearly you've seen the investigations are ongoing.
They have said their story.
Yes.
You have said your story.
Yes.
I'm looking at the two stories.
Yes.
Yes.
Mukinya uyu akorwa akirugama igoti-ini kuria thomera mawakiri a DCI kuona makugaga matiwe kuria NDIANG'UI ari igoti ria korori giathana DCI boss Amin akorwa gikinyia igoti-ini handu ha gutuma mawakiri aria makuheanaga tungano iria Jaji Chacha MUITA akorwa kiuga we ndarenda NDIANG'UI arutururirwo mucii kwao kuria kino kaunti ya Kiambu ni DCI officers aria gutwikaga maritie nginyagia na caretaker wa nyumba icio agikomborete niguo mathie nake no kuma muthenya ucio ndakire onekana na riu maundu makinyite haha.
It is not right to abduct someone and not present them to court, and you are here telling us stories about. Let me speak. I will sit down. This is not right. Why should they abduct someone and instead of producing them to court, they come here to start telling us stories about, I don't know, my client did this. Your client what? Then what are we supposed to do? If the people who are supposed to protect us have turned out to be the greatest threat to our